Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer crypto from Webull wallet to Coinbase. So guys, follow me in this video step by step and I will show you how to do. First step guys, open your Coinbase, and after that what you have to do, open Coinbase and click receive option as you can see here and click choose the crypto, for example Bitcoins. After that copy your address and go to Webull as you can see here guys and click this option show more. After that guys, click withdraw, this option withdraw from Webull, and after that choose the crypto, this Bitcoin, and after that copy your address guys, copy your address from Coinbase and click continue to transfer and select your amount guys for BTC. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys, then below and comment and I will answer your question.